What you see here is not just a car. It's a $3 million masterpiece of design. But what truly sets this machine apart from the rest? Is it just the speed? No. It's not about the 0 to 60 times. The real magic is hidden in the details you cannot see. So, how does a machine built with such rarity and precision perform on the road? Let's dive into the details as if we were one of those 33 lucky owners. Look closely. Why are there no massive wings or aggressive spoilers on this body? It's because Alfa Romeo engineers treated the air like a sculptor, not an enemy. By channeling the air through hidden internal ducts instead of over the exterior, they created a vacuum effect. The result: a smooth masterpiece to the eye, but an aerodynamic beast that glues itself to the road. When you look at this car, the first thing that grabs your attention is that massive curved windshield covering half the roof. But what most people don't know is that this glass wasn't made in a car factory. It was built to aviation standards in a facility that produces fighter jet cockpits. From an engineering standpoint, this is a nightmare. When glass curves this sharply, light refracts and the image starts to distort. To prevent even the slightest optical illusion at high speeds, Alfa Romeo engineers designed the glass with variable thickness at a micron level to solve this. The result? Zero distortion and a flawless field of vision. When you're flying at 300 kilometers per hour, the reason you feel like there's nothing between you and the road is exactly this masterpiece of optical engineering. Take a close look at this bare chassis. At the heart of the 33 Stradale lies a hybrid architecture rarely seen in modern supercars. An impact-resistant aluminum H-frame at the bottom and a carbon fiber monocoque structure wrapping the roof like a helmet. But why not full carbon fiber? Engineers combine these two materials to achieve maximum torsional rigidity without sacrificing weight. This hybrid setup ensures the car moves as a single unit in corners while pulling the center of gravity down to the millimeter. Every joint you see is where Italian craftsmanship meets engineering precision. This isn't just a skeleton. It's an engineering sculpture that provides confidence at high speeds. Behind these wheels lies one of the most advanced stopping technologies in the automotive world. When you press the brake pedal in the 33 Stradale, you aren't managing hydraulics, you're commanding a computer. This is brake-by-wire technology. There's no physical link between the pedal and the Brembo carbon ceramics. The computer optimizes braking force in milliseconds, preventing the car from losing its balance even under the heaviest braking. This system provides a feeling as smooth as a racing sim, with immense stopping confidence. This is where engineering shines. The mechanical feedback the driver feels is actually a stroke of software genius. A digital command transformed into analog soul. If you are one of the 33 lucky individuals in the world, this car wasn't just built for you, it was designed like a tailor-made performance suit. Here, engineering becomes a personal experience, because the ergonomics of every single unit were fixed during production to match the owner's body measurements. From the position of the gear shifter to the angle of the pedals and the firmness of the seats, every detail was adjusted with bespoke precision. Even the tactile feel of those analog switches was calibrated using aviation-grade haptic feedback to deliver the purest mechanical response. This is what $3 million of engineering gets you. Not just raw speed, but perfect harmony. In a digital world, the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale might be the last fortress of the mechanical soul. In a $3 million supercar, do you prefer advanced brake-by-wire systems? Or should everything remain purely analog and mechanical? Let me know in the comments.